So let's start with the brain. All right, the biggest myth. I mean, how many of you have heard this? Ah, they're just so hormonal. Yeah, it's the hormones. They're just so hormonal. That's actually not quite it. I mean, yes, they are hormonal for sure. Yes, that contributes to some of the interesting changes in behavior. But actually, a lot of what we're seeing is not the hormone, it's the dopamine, actually. So, what starts to happen is that the dopamine system starts to shift. So, on your screen here, it says that dopamine is both a neurotransmitter and helps release other hormones. It helps control the brain's reward and pleasure centers. It helps regulate movement and emotional responses, and it enables us not only to see rewards, but also take action to move towards them. Neural circuits utilizing dopamine increase, which makes teens gravitate towards thrilling experiences and exhilarating sensations.